I thought I'd quickly do a very quick grocery haul. I have some fries here. Then I have some poppadoms. I got 2 packs of these, of course. Then I went a bit crazy with the Halloween collection. I got some pickled worm crisps. I also got some Sinister sour sweet bags. I got 2 packs of these for trick-or-treaters and for our kids as well. I got some of the Hello Screams, which look really delicious, just to have in a little bowl on the table. This is the second bag of sweets that I got. These are the skeleton jellies. This is something that I've been looking for quite a lot, and I've not come across it before, and I'm excited to finally have it, and I'm going to try it this weekend. And it is the Kiev dip, which I've heard tastes delicious with some focaccia bread, so I'm very much looking forward to that. I also picked up a little Hocus Crocus chocolate frog, which is very sweet. I have a pizza here just for quick dinners during the week. I got some crumpets. I got some topside beef for my sandwiches tomorrow. I got one of Harrison's favourite pastas. I also got, so we're planning on having a red Thai curry tonight. So I got some reduced fat coconut milk. Sometimes I'll use full fat. This time I got the reduced fat because it was there, you know, and I thought we may as well have the reduced fat. We also picked up 2 of the loaded cookies. We have the chocolate hazelnut and the raspberry cheesecake. I got some plums. I got some grapes. I got these when I was at work earlier, as you saw. And I also got the poppadoms when I was at work, so this is my second trip, and it was the one local to me. That's the second batch of poppadoms. I got some deli coleslaw. I thought I would try these for lunches. It's the 4 oatmeal seeded rolls. They look really good. To go with dinner tonight, we also got some jasmine coconut rice. I have my red Thai curry paste that I'm going to be using to make the sauce. This is something I'm excited about, and I've not seen this before. It's the peanut butter and jelly, which I'm very much looking forward to having. I think that'll be delicious. I love peanut butter and jelly. I also got some pumpkin biscuits, some jellies, some fudge Snoopy bites. I'm just thinking I've gone way overboard on the Halloween chocolate. And then the last thing I got is this Gooey Ghost, which is a salted caramel little ghosty. So yeah, I'm going to get everything put away and then get everything that I need tonight put aside, and then we will start making